together that Santa house, or it's a mailbox, but the mouse took over the mailbox. Some of those little ornaments she painstakingly drew by hand or sculpted by hand because she is just that talented. Not to be outdone by the pastor's wife, here is our pastor, Pastor Timothy, allowing the kids to shoot him with the Nerf gun. Only in the bathroom though, because we didn't want anything to fall. We then shared a meal together. We had spaghetti, very non-traditional for a Christmas meal. This is Bree. Bree was my couponing partner when I very first started couponing, and her husband Daniel. And then we each family, there are about 6 of us different families that exchange gifts with each other. This is a long-standing tradition that we have done, like I said, for the past 11 years. Everybody took home something. Nobody left empty-handed. The kids and I did forget to make puppy cookies this year. We did so last year. And then here's my sister trying to do a game. And of course, pastor's wife, aka the Grinch from the Christmas party, has to come over, and she was able to solve the riddle because I was thoroughly confused. Most of us were thoroughly confused, but she just is good at everything. There's nothing that she's not good at. And so here's my sister trying to keep her from winning the game. She was thwarted. She won the game. Anyway, game over. The little girl in the back is Rania. We did not allow Rania to play because Rania is a master at games and she usually beats everybody. We then proceeded to Walgreens to do our annual Walgreens gift exchange. We do this every year about 9 or 10 o'clock where we all go together and we buy each other little gifts. They don't cost a lot, but they mean a lot to the people that we get them for. And as we were getting ready to leave Walgreens,